About my house, the AC's not working. 76, that ain't good. Well, the air handle is running, I could hear it. I put it in at 16. There's water in the pan, and there's a switch in the back there shutting it off, so this drain's probably blocked. I gotta change the filter too. Could be that drain's blocked. Let's get the vacuum and vacuum it out, see if we can vacuum it in the basement. Filter's a little dirty, I gotta change that too. I don't think there's a vent. No vent. It goes down in the basement, so we could vacuum it. We could vacuum it down cellar. And not running because it's tied into the yellow. I think I tied that float switch into the yellow. Hasn't been running. Let me go down to a little pump down here. Let's see if we can vacuum this out maybe. Might have to cut this fucker. Might have to cut it. Looks like maybe. Not easy being cheesy, man. All I can see. We'll cut this here. I'll put a couple on it after. I usually put bleach in this bugger. I got bleach right here. Every so often I'd like to dump it in there and it keeps it flushed. The bleach. It's been a while. Alright, so we're gonna put the vacuum to it and we'll see if we'll must have a blockage up there in that. Alright, so you're gonna keep an eye on this right here. had to change the filter anyway, so. And we'll go upstairs and we'll cut the line and we'll flush it. We'll flush it down here. We're gonna go easy with it because it's a condensate pump, right? Another couple here. And a couple old filters. I gotta get rid of these fuckers. Oh wow, but that's all it takes, a little bit. I'm gonna flush it out from up top anyway. Probably make a cut right here and put the thing in, blow that line right out. Right down cellar. I got a couple of, put it in after. Right there. Get my adapter for that thing. Get my adapter. Will it work? I don't see why not. We're gonna go easy with it because it's going into a condensate pump down cellar, right? So we're gonna go easy with it. Can't go crazy. Alright, we'll plug our pump in. A little pump here with a little hose, and we'll suck the water out of the pan, and the condenser will come on and we'll dump it right downstairs here. We'll flush that line out. Like I said, I gotta go easy with it, so I'm gonna unplug it, plug it in, unplug it, plug it in. We don't want to overwhelm the pump downstairs, right? Probably should have a vent on the other side of the wall, but I've been working like this for all these years. Shut the condenser off. Didn't flood my house. Didn't flood my house, so that was the main thing about that. I'll have to get a new filter for it. I have them. A lot of people ask me, it's just 1-inch clear tubing. And it's like a couple of, put it right on there, and this way you won't have to get it apart again. You can pull it apart easy enough. Come on, baby. Come on, man. That won't leak like that. You just get a filter for it and we'll be done. We'll check the outside unit quick. That should be fine. It's been working fine right along. It just blocked drain. Shit happens, mama. Could be worse. Could be at my house, I always tell them. There you go. It is at my house. doing, Miss Molly? What are you doing? What are you doing, Miss Molly? I gotta get a filter. All right, kids. Alright, so I put it in, what, 6 years ago. This just goes up into the attic and it's got 2 flexes up here and 2 flexes downstairs. A little ton and a half. Look at a small house here. Alright, we got nice hot air coming out of here now. Oh yeah, she's nice and cold and sweaty, the way I like my ladies. Cold and sweaty. Look how this shit's all fading, huh? From being in the sun, it's all fading. Gotta do some weeding around here. Gonna work now.